Hi. So in this video, I will tell you about how we can enable the system versioning on our SQL database tables. So I'm using the latest entity framework core, which is 9.0.1. So in this, I'm going to enable the a temporal table for our DB context tables. And after that we can see the history and we can maintain the history for these tables. So before jumping the code base, let me see you what is system versioning and what are the tables we have. For example, this is the employee table. You can see the icons behind the employee table is it's showing some time, so it is managing the all the histories of this employees. For example, whatever add edit operation perform on this employee, you can see. So see, uh, for example, right now the actual value inside the employee table is even code. If I'm going to update this, it will the history table will maintain the history of this employee. Let me edit this. Example, I'm using the coder. So now come again and see. Now earlier we have one entry, now we have two entry. Now the latest value is even coder. Similarly, we are doing with the company table now. So what we have to do is, first of all, we need two nuggets. These are the two nuggets: entity framework core SQL Server and entity framework core dot tools. After that, let's go to the code base. Inside our entity DB context, what we have to do is, for example, I already did this for employees, so we have to do the same for company table as well. Just copy this. You can write this at your end and update the company here. Now it is done. Now in the company table, you can see once we run the migration in the company table, you can see we have a system versioning on. So after that, what we have to do, we have to run the migration. So once the migration will run on this, you can see uh, the changes will be shown in the our migration. For example, see on the company table, we have added the temporal, and the temporal schema is history. So let's let me tell you one more thing. So here we are giving the for use for with the help of this use history table. First, the parameter is the table name, and the second parameter is the schema name. This schema name is I use it as a history. So because it is maintaining the history, you can give any name to this. It is not mandatory to give the history. So in the migrations, you can see the default schema I set it is for is history. So now update the database. Once you run this command, you can go to your database and refresh that, and you can see the company is still now showing the versioning like the employees. Now you can. So what is schema is history. I use the schema, and now the table name. You have company as well. See, now currently we do not have any history of it. Now I'm going to update this. A1 code. Now, if I run this, you can see the old value comes to the history table. So this is how it is storing all the histories of this company and history and employees table. Yeah, these are the things that we need to do to enable the system versioning on our tables. And in the next video, I will tell you about how we can revert the migrations if I perform any wrong migration on the database. That is all. Thank you very much.